Hi, PerspectaWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, July 10th. Another sunny morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. High pressure remains in control. It looks like it'll be a relatively hot and humid day today. A little bit more humid than the past few days, and high temperatures at or slightly above the 90-degree mark in the I-95 corridor region from D.C. to Philadelphia to New York City. A weak cool frontal system will approach the region tonight. It is not strong and it should not result in a lot of rain at all, but there could be a scattered shower or thunderstorm in the I-95 corridor in the overnight hours. And then the rest of the week looks pretty decent. Mainly sunny skies for the remainder of the week, and high temperatures probably confined to the 80s in many parts of the Mid-Atlantic region after the 90 or 92 degree reading expected this afternoon. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. First of all, here's a weak cool frontal system. It's backed up by high pressure over south central Canada. Still a dry day here in the Mid-Atlantic region with plenty of sunshine, and again high temperatures at or slightly above the 90-degree mark this afternoon. It'll be more humid than the past few days. Actually, the last couple of days have been quite amazing. I don't know if anyone noticed, but there were could not even find a cloud on Sunday or Monday, and that is pretty rare this time of the year. Not even able to see a cumulus cloud. That it shows how dry it was in the upper part of the atmosphere over the past couple of days. It was dry down at the surface as well, with comfortable dew points, comfortable humidity levels, but extremely dry aloft. Not even a cloud in many parts of the Mid-Atlantic region, both Sunday and Monday. More humid today, however, as this frontal system approaches, and then a scattered shower or thunderstorm tonight. Meanwhile, we have Tropical Storm Chris off the Carolina coastline. It'll tend to meander around here over the next day or two and could strengthen into hurricane status, but it should ultimately just pull away to the north and east and stay away from the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, here's the official National Hurricane Center positioning of Tropical Storm Chris, as well as the remains of Beryl down here. That, again, will be a slow mover. Little development is expected the next couple of days. We'll keep an eye on it. It ultimately could strengthen a little bit in a couple of days as it moves across the western Atlantic. This is a tropical storm with winds at 60 knots right now. It could strengthen into hurricane level, weak hurricane status, Category 1. Ultimately, it rides up to the north and east, so it looks like both of these systems should avoid impacting the Mid-Atlantic region, but we'll certainly monitor it over the next couple of days. Well, let's take a look at the surface forecast maps from last night's 6E GFS model run. Here is Tropical Storm Chris spinning off the Carolina coastline. Meanwhile, high pressure over the northern plains, headed southeast towards the Mid-Atlantic region. Let's push forward in 6-hour increments. Here's some showers showing up here along the frontal boundary zone later on this afternoon, well to the north and west of the I-95 corridor. And notice, it continues to move for a little while here by early this evening, but then it tends to fall apart by the time it arrives in the I-95 corridor. Again, there certainly can be a shower or a thunderstorm tonight in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City, but only a scattered variety, not a heavy rain event expected by any means in the I-95 corridor. And then high pressure tends to take control. Notice here, Tropical Storm Chris then pulls off to the north and east, and basically high pressure in control for the remainder of the week. And here we go right into the early part of the weekend, still relatively dry, and it looks like it very likely could remain dry right through the upcoming weekend. Here we are Saturday morning. So again, high temperatures this afternoon in the 90 to 92 degree range or so in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City corridor. Maybe a shower or thunderstorm tonight associated with the passage of a weak cool frontal system, and then temperatures primarily confined to the 80s for the remainder of the week, with a continuation of plenty of sunshine on a daily basis right into the upcoming weekend. That's it for now. For PerspectaWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.